Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So let's give you an update on Bitcoin and our short trade. So yesterday I talked about this break of this symmetrical triangle, which of course we went bullish 2 days ago, but unfortunately it stopped us at here. Our stop loss got triggered. Then we had this pullback and rejection here, and we entered a short right there. Right now it's going a little bit up, and there are two possible scenarios, which only one for me is legit. The first one would be a bullish break of a inverse head and shoulders with pullback and bounce back, but due to its bounce formation I don't think it's a legit pattern. The other one would be another symmetrical triangle on a different time frame on the 4-hourly chart. On the 4-hourly, now that we have more highs and lows to connect to, we can see that it is also forming a symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly chart. So I'm still in my short. As you can see, we are still getting rejected by the 4-hourly EMA ribbon. So for me, until this symmetrical triangle breaks, we cannot say in which direction is it going. Although we know that symmetrical triangles are continuation patterns, so it is more likely to continue its trajectory to the downside after the break. So that's an update for Bitcoin right now. See you on the next video tomorrow. Bye bye.